Alright guys, what's up? What's up? We are in mod lesson 3, mod 4. So let's get it going. So for this one, it's kind of building on what we did earlier with lesson 2. So just work with me here guys. Okay. Alright, so let's look at this little chart here. So we're gonna write these in different forms. So the first one I have is 3 divided by 2. Now, remember back in lesson 2 when we were drawing out those pictures and like this one, I would have drawn 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, and I cut them into twos, 1, 2, 3. How many halves do I have total? I have 6. So that's where you'd put the 6 right here. So 6 halves divided by 2 is 3 halves, which as an improper fraction is 3 over 2, which as a mixed number is 1 and 1/2. Now you're like, what? Remember, this is 3 divided by 2, or 2 goes into 3 one time. How many left over? 1, because 3 minus 2 is 1, and then the denominator stays the same. Now it says, use standard algorithm to check. 3 divided by 2. 2 goes into 3 one time. There's my 2. 1, 1/2. Okay? Not too shabby. Let's look at this next one. Okay. 24 fourths divided by 4 is 6 fourths. 6 fourths is 6 over 4. So that tells me the division problem for 6 divided by 4 is 6 divided by 4, which as a mixed number is 1 and 1/2. But you're like, Mr. J, it's 1 and 2/4, which is equivalent to 1 and 1/2. Got it. Okay, 4 goes into 6 one time. Okay, 2/4, which is equal to 1 and 1/2. Put them in simplest form. Let's look at the next problem. Okay, it says a principal evenly distributes 6 reams of copy paper to 8 6th grade teachers. How many reams of paper does each 5th grade teacher receive? Explain how you know using, okay, 4 words. Okay, so how many reams? So I have 6 reams. I can do 6 divided by 8, which is 6 over 8. So each teacher, how many reams are each 6/8 of a ream? Now, you could say, oh, it's also 3/4 as well. You could also draw a picture. So if I draw 6 reams, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then like one more over here, 8. Now I cut this into 8s. So here's 8, 8, 8, 8. I'm not going to cut them because you'll never see my work. Okay. How many 8s do I have total? 48, because 8 times 6 is 48. So I have 48 eighths. Eighths, right? Divided by 8, because it's divided by 8, equals 6/8, which is equal to 6 over 8. Now, if there was twice as many reams of paper and half as many teachers, how would the amount of each teacher receive? So if there's twice as many reams, so if I went from 6 times 2, so I have 12 reams, because 6 twice as much, but half as teachers. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4 teachers. Okay. How would the amount of teach? Well, this would be 12 divided by 4, which equals 3 reams per teacher. So 3 reams per teacher, say, you could say 48, because if I did this, I would have 48 fourths divided by 4 is 12 fourths, which is equal to 12 over 4, which is equal to 3. All right, guys, this one's a little shorter. All right, actually half. Bye. Wait, where are you?